Tesla bought its first factory from General Motors in 2010 and quickly transformed the facility into one of the world's most advanced automotive plants. In the decades since, the firm has quickly expanded in the US, with large custom-built battery and solar panel plants or gigafactories in Nevada and New York, and a further facility now under construction in Texas. Eyeing greater international expansion and aiming for a production facility on each inhabited continent, Tesla is now constructing gigafactories in Berlin and Shanghai at an incredible speed. The Shanghai factory went from a bare patch of land to making its first models in under a year, and the progress now being seen at Giga Berlin could result in an even faster build time. So how does Tesla do this when most buildings, let alone advanced factories, take many months to design and then easily a year or more to construct? Unlike most one-off building projects, Tesla has developed a clear template for its gigafactories. It knows what it needs and what will work best for its businesses, and it isn't reinventing the wheel each time. Its design manual can be quickly and easily adapted, whatever the local site context or constraints. These pre-honed designs are now being built using prefabricated construction techniques. This is where a building's elements are pre-made in a factory before being transported to the building site for assembly, saving time, cutting costs, and improving quality. Tesla knows which materials it wants to use. It knows how its gigafactories break down into component parts and how those parts all go together. Its teams know the drill and aren't now creating a prototype each time they build. During the final assembly on site, each step is carefully sequenced with teams following each other and starting the next build activity before the previous one is completed where possible. Mindful of the need to potentially scale up capacity in the future, the gigafactories are also designed to be easily expanded, a feature clearly visible in Nevada. At Giga Berlin, thousands of roof and wall elements have been arriving by train before being quickly slotted into place. It's thought that up to 1,200 tons of building material is being transported to the site by rail at a time, whereas in Shanghai, only truck deliveries were possible. While off-site construction is more commonly used for housing, large-scale commercial and industrial applications have been on the rise. A tweet from Tesla's CEO Elon Musk in July 2020 confirmed the approach, pointing out the impossible-seeming speed of the build and positioning Germany's construction sector as a leader in off-site. In fact, the country is one of the world's biggest adopters, with around 9% of construction projects now using off-site techniques. But despite